Hey guys, Like44 here. I just finished replacing the belt in this Frankie the Fish. I know the Honmeister mentions there's a special kind of dimensions of belts though that you can get. I don't know those exact dimensions right now, but I will send you guys a link in the video for the dimensions of the size of the belts that you need. But anyways, I replaced it and he works flawlessly. Check it out.
Up on this wall. If it were you in that sandwich, you wouldn't be laughing at all. So give me back the filet fish. Give me that fish. Give me back the filet fish. Give me that fish.
Also replaced the body mechanism gear with a 10-tooth gear. That seems to really quiet it down too. Here's his other song. Let me switch to remix. Here we go.
What if it were you hanging up on this wall? If it were you in that sandwich, you would